Experience teaches us that the world is changing, always evolving. With experience, we move forward. We learn. We know more than we used to. About technology, about the environment, about sustainable development, about ourselves. This is why we specialize in engineering, manufacturing, and the installation of material recovery facilities. We're working across the globe, always improving, always thinking about tomorrow. We're building robust systems and more efficient machines. We control our own destiny by developing and manufacturing all our equipment in-house, ensuring quality control and superior performance. Here at Machinex, experience means we strive to excel, to get better. Customer experience is our priority. Our service and support team is dedicated to optimizing your operation. Our understanding of your reality makes us the expert when it comes to sorting technologies. We believe in giving material a second purpose because we believe in tomorrow. We do our part to divert waste from landfills because we believe in sustainability. The Machinex experience means choosing a partner. The Machinex experience means investing in a relationship. Are you ready to live the experience?